Welcome to our Mr. R Business Corporation. Let me see about the what is meant by proposal, how to write a proposal for a PhD. So these slides explain how to you make a proposal for PhD. Please don't skip the video. Our sincere thanks to Matt Palvochi, PhD, Trends in Biotechnology, and Andrea Stephens, PhD, Trends in Ecology and Evaluation. What is proposal? Your way of asking for the invitation to submit a review article. Your way of asking for an invitation to submit a review article. Direct submission. You go to the website and press submit. Like how you did submit research article may not possible at every journal. By invitation, an editor contact you and the invitation to write an article, or you contact the editor to request an invitation. Pre-submission enquiries, publisher jargon for asking the editor if your article is a good fit for the journal. Research journal asking about the suitability of the finished study. Reviews interchangeably with proposal. I prefer proposal because it means is more easily understood, but sometimes you will see the pre-submission. Next question: why do editors ask for them for the authors? It save your work. For editor, better understand scope, key take home message that the paper will fill. It a collaborative process between the author and the editor. Get know your writing style. If you can't understand your proposal, the paper probably won't be suitable for the general audience either. Why you should not send a 6,000 plus words paper unsolicited? Maybe it is in the impossible revise to fit journal style. Maybe we don't have room for it. Maybe it is not a good fit. No opportunity for collaboration. Cuts in line ahead of other proposal also. The next question: how is the different from the cover letter? Difference between proposal and cover letter. A proposal is a mean to introduce the idea for a manuscript that has not been written yet. A cover letter should accompany the submission of drafted manuscript. Introduce the author and the topic. Explain the anything unuseful or expectation about the manuscript. Maybe suggested or oppose the reviewer. More common in the old days, it is the cover letter. There is some similarity between the cover letter and the proposal. Convey the excitement, timeliness, novelty, justify the fit with the journal. Take time to learn the editor name. So these are similarity with the cover letter and the proposal. The next question: why editor ask for certain information in a proposal? Article working title, author name and affiliations. Does the author teams have the necessary expertise that the name or affiliation of author? A point by point summary. It may take 300 to 400 words only. That the outlining what will be discussed in the article and why it is timely and novel. Novel is nothing. It is a new content that only you find out by the research gap, or uh, you make innovate the new idea that is commonly known novel. A list of 10 to 20 keywords recent reference published in the past 2 to 4 years that indicates the intended breadth and balance of the proposed article. This means of reference, if you propose the idea or a research gap that no one done that research gap, that give the solution for that your research gap or novelty. It may anyone give the solution, your novel or research gap is not acceptable. Different proposal for the different article format. Every journal publishes a range of article types: review, opinion, form, science and society, spotlight, letter, scientific life, book review, except month. This all are different type of article, journal publishing in a different articles. Journals having different uh, articles like the name that I prescribed above. Don't make us guess what the article type you proposing. The information required for the proposal can differ for the article, different article types, review and opinion, science and society form, spotlights and book review letters. Sometimes we will suggest a different format might be more appropriate. The next question: how important is the information you include? Absolute critical. The things of the journal ask for its website, like example of explanation of topic and why it's timely, list the key recent reference, that mean who are done the topic reason previously, submit the journals or publish the journal reference for your making content, format, list of authors and affiliations. Then possible information but not necessary, longer outline including planned figure, your preferred submission date. The editor might prefer something lies, not that useful, that mean extensive author biographies. We will look you up, don't worry. uh, Word count and number of reference, that obituous bar charts of number of publication versus time, and finally flattery. The next point: customizing your proposal for the different journals. Want to show the editor you are paying attention, following the direction here suggests that you will be follow the direction for your article too. Don't want to make it seem like journal is your plan B. See the title box: title, article synopsis, subject, which area you will be done that article, author name and manager, company detail. If you other than research scholar, you also publish the journal, submit your idea, innovative ideas for segregated your content. This makes it very obviously you are using another journal template. It's fine if your original proposed your review somewhere else, but so genius interest in the where you submit next instead of giving the impression of shopping around. Finally, I need an expectation from your guidelines. That means the earlier you do this matter, whether and the expectation is possible at all depend on the guidelines or on the article type. Can you see the example of whether expectation have you granted in the past? Like, however, this does not mean that one will be granted for you. Clearly define what you need, that you would need like to extra figure to explain why our review covers XYZ, so we need to author expertise covering these areas. Be prepared to be told it is not possible, have a backup plan also. What if the editors say no? Many journals are heavily oversubscribed. simply unable to take all pieces that a pitch, need to balance all subfield covered by journal, something similarly the in the pipeline, not the right time, topic has been reviewed recently, not the right journal, topic area, scope of article. These all are the editors say no. Writing truly great proposal. What makes a truly great must be proposal, the X factor, not about big names. We will formulate it. This is also important for writing a proposal. Writing truly great proposal, you must know what are these factors, like not about big names, well formulated question of general interest, clear logically arguments, reference list, suggesting broad interest, get the your college outside your immediate subfield to read it. Don't think it's exciting, would they read it? What makes me want to say yes? That means the author point of view, a concept that was the part of every talk at the recent conference, a truly new way of thinking about a topic, a story that obviously, even to me, a non expert, and the author list that reflects the intention, collaboration, a unique personal perspective on the topic only you can provide. Example from a personal hall of fame, a review of the technological applicant of the class of proteins amphibians from the research group of the original developed them, an appraisal of the various technology of biofabrication along with the newly proposed figure of merit for the measuring their efficiency, a user guide to performing qPCR from and the industrial group that developed the qPCR regions, a review of the enabling technology for the personalized and precision medicine or originating from a Gordon Research Conference on the topic and written by the conference organizer. The first review is proposed to Krebs based on the biosensing, which including the extensive comparison different nucleus for the different application. Finally, I will conclude that this topic, how to write a proposal, what you know, the important points, that 10 do's and don't of writing proposal for their review article. First point, do include all the information that the journal asks for. Second point, do explain your own expertise and relevance of the proposed article for the journal. Third point, do indicate the intended article format. Fourth point, do customize your proposal for the journal. Fifth point, don't assume the editor is the expert in the topic of review. Sixth point, do information the editor as soon as possible if you want, and the exception from the guidelines, but don't assume the editor will necessarily be able to grant your request. Eighth point, don't equate the editor saying no with editor thinking your proposal was bad. Ninth point, do seek advice from college, especially one outside your immediate field. Finally, 10th point, do explain why the topic is exciting instead of saying that it is. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. We give the credits to Elsewhere Publication for providing this slides to show the give the awareness of new researchers to write a proposal. Once again, thank you everyone watching this video patiently.